In this video, I will demonstrate the configuration of Application-Aware Processing feature, which ensures transactionally consistent backups. Log into the BDRSuite Backup Server by entering the credentials and clicking on Sign In. Once you log in, navigate to the Backup tab and click on Configure Backup. Now, select the backup source you wish to configure a backup job for. As you proceed through the configuration steps, you will encounter the option to enable application-aware guest processing settings. On the guest processing page, you will find three sub-options. The first option is Guest Processing Settings. You can enable guest processing for all hosts and VMs by checking the corresponding box, or choose to select specific ones individually. Once you've made your selection, click the Edit Guest Processing Settings button to proceed with the configuration. Now, click on the Windows Application tab. Here, you can configure both application-aware processing and log truncation for Windows applications. The available behaviors and their corresponding effects are listed, allowing you to select the desired behavior that aligns with your specific requirements. The application-aware processing will quiesce the application using the Microsoft VSS before taking a snapshot for application-consistent backup. You can choose to make successful application processing a compulsory behavior, which is the recommended option, or ignore application processing failure, or simply disable the application-aware processing. The log truncation option will truncate the transaction logs for Microsoft Exchange and SQL Server when the backup is successful. You can choose to either truncate or not truncate the transaction logs. Next, navigate to the Oracle tab to configure the archived logs processing and set its deletion options. You can choose not to delete archive logs or delete the logs which are older than the specific number of hours, or delete the logs which are over a particular size of the log file. Then, choose a credential that has SYSDBA privileges for the Oracle instance to ensure proper access and control for the backup operations. You can choose from the already added credentials or add a new one by clicking on the Add New Credentials button. Enter the credentials display name, the username and the password. Once done, click on Save. Now, click on File Exclusion tab and check the box if you want to exclude system files. Once done, click on Apply. All right, now click Next. The second option is to configure guest credentials. Here, select the host or the VM and click on Apply Credential button. On this page, check the recommendation for selecting your credentials. You can select from the saved credentials, or click on Add New Credentials button to add a new one. Enter the credential display name, its username and password. Once done, click on Save. Now, click on Next. OK. Now the next option is VMware Quiescing. This is the process of temporarily freezing or pausing the disk input-output operations on a virtual machine in order to create a consistent backup. Note, this is only supported for VMware backup configuration. Click on Enable All, or for the specific host or VMs, toggle the VMware Quiescing button to turn it on. This guest processing settings will help to create transactionally consistent backups. That's it. Now it's your turn to try it out. Visit our website to start your 30-day free trial. And if you need any assistance, contact BDRSuite Support. Thanks for watching.